In the aftermath of the stampede outside Bengaluru's Chinnaswamy Stadium that claimed 11 lives, the Karnataka BJP accused Chief Minister Siddharamaiah of ignoring the unfolding tragedy. BJP leaders allege the chaos began even before Siddharamaiah arrived at the event for the RCB felicitation. Opposition leader Narayanaswamy claimed that CM dined at a hotel, eating badam halwa and dosa, despite being informed of fatalities. BJP released a timeline showing victims died before the event began. State BJP President B.Y. Vijendra blamed the government's negligence, slammed the lack of ambulance and demanded accountability and a judicial probe. In a powerful speech in United States, BJP MP Tejasvi Surya strongly criticized Pakistan's global image. He was responding to former Pakistani Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari's remarks against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Surya said that while India produced tech leaders, Pakistan produced terrorists. He mentioned names like Ramzi Yusuf and David Harley to highlight Pakistan's terror links and compared them with India achievers like Indra Nooyi and Sundar Pichai. He also accused Pakistan of using poor quality Chinese weapons and pretending to be victim globally. Congress leader Shashi Tharoor led an all-party parliamentary delegation to the US to present India's united stance against terrorism. Addressing criticism from within his party, Tharoor said anybody who sees working for the nation as anti-party should question themselves. He emphasized the delegation's focus on national interest, transcending political differences, and reaffirmed India's unity. After a tragic terror attack in Pahalgam in April, where Hindu men were killed in front of their wives, Prime Minister Narendra Modi marked World Environment Day with a symbolic gesture. On Thursday, he planted a Sindhu sapling at his official residence, 7 Lok Kalyan Marg in New Delhi. The sapling was gifted from courageous women of Kutch who had supported India during the 1971 war. Sharing the moment on social media, Modi described the plant as a symbol of women power. Continuing the spiritual celebration that began on June 3, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Thursday led the final day of 3-day of Pran Pratishtha ceremony at the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. On his 53rd birthday, he performed Aarti at Ram Lalla and took part in rituals inside the temple. He then went to the first floor of the temple for the Ram Darbar Pran Pratishtha. Earlier, CM Yogi also prayed the Hanuman Gari. He later shared his gratitude on social media, calling the event as a symbolic of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat.